Mommy, I can see. Ah. Oh, what's that? Nak, who's holding you, Nak? Ate Paris holding you? Hmm?
I don't
Hold her properly, Nak. Hmm? Do you love your sister?
Yeah,
How much?
so much.
Good morning, people. Hi, Tito and Tita. Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to our channel. Nak, smile po na. Panalagsa.
Two.
Mura kag-uhong na ko. So, guys, it is now 11 o'clock in the morning. And it is Tuesday, so it means our ate
Four.
goes to school. But at the moment, they are still playing. Tingnan niyo.
Four.
Good job.
Four. Right now, you get five. Five.
Hey, do it to 11.
Okay. Six.
Now 1, 2, 3, 4.
No, that's six. Come on. Next one, seven. Come on.
Mabuot lagi na siya na.
Roll out of Baba. Come on.
Ate. Nakaligo pala tayo, guys. Ayan, kasi dinala ko rin si Baby Paris sa shower. Kaya, may jump in na lang din. Tingnan nyo, hindi ko pa nasuklay. Hayaan nyo na. Ipa-air dry ko na lang. And this one is ready.
Seven.
This one is ready. After pala namin i-drop si Ate Paris sa school, guys, pupunta ako ng medical center. So, today is my second dose of my Pfizer vaccine. Dapat sana last
10.
Tuesday ba yun? Oo, last Tuesday pa sana yun, guys. But then,
18.
because nga ito ay hindi maganda yung pakiramdam, diba? Dahil sa kanyang sipon. But she's better now. Aren't you, honey? Aren't you, Baba? Aren't you, Baba? Kaya, kinancel ko na lang yung appointment ko, guys. So, ngayon is the day na magiging fully vaccinated na si mami nyo. So, yeah. Ginawa na ko ni Danny Mai kanina ng breakfast kasi late kami nagising nito. Late kami lumabas ng bedroom. So, just come here, anak.
And today we're going to school.
Yeah, you going to school today? Show them how you drink your juice.
Show them how you drink the juice.
Baby, show me how. Show them. Wow, this is how you drink your juice. Yum. Yum. Alright, sweetie girl. So, yeah, so, yun na nga, ginawa na ko ni Daddy Mike ng oats kaninang umaga kasi nga, diba, sabi nila, you have to get your body ready para sa, second dose.
Today we're having a birthday.
Ang sa daw?
Today we're
Wala, bulingat kay ka, nakapit, apoy, sanay may ilong, be?
Today we got these stickers.
Okay, we're going now. Hello. So, here's our outfit of the day. Tingnan nyo ang ating baby girl. Oh, very warm kasi super cold outside. Pero si mami ay nakapag-shorts pa rin. And just white shoes pero naka-jacket at naka-cardigan tayo, guys. Hindi ko nasuklayin ang ating hair. Ay, hayaan nyo na mag-air dry. Kahirap kasi suklayin eh. Para tayong wak-wak. Where's ate and daddy? Pagbigyan natin ng ating Ate Paris kasi gusto niya talagang hawakan si Baby Celine. She loves holding Baby Celine. Don't you? Yes? Okay. You hold her, ha? Give me a second. Hello!
Hi!
What's that? Nak, who's holding you, Nak? Ate Paris holding you?
I don't
Hold her properly, Nak. Do you love your sister?
Yeah,
How much?
so much.
Aw, okay.
Okay.
It's very uncomfortable, anak. That's why.
A few moments later.
Napasok ko na si Baby Siling. Dito na lang isa. Sweetie! Kama na si Tana. Saan ka? So, check natin si Baby Siling. Hi! You looking out already? Hey! You little cutie? You little cutie? I get you to look at yourself, anak. Kita ni mo imong self na. Hello.
Have a drink out of your
That's
unicorn?
you.
Like Sunny?
Baba Sunny don't drink water.
Yes, she does.
Why?
To Paris.
Because
Where are you going? Ate Paris.
Use the car.
Ate Paris. Ate Paris. Where are you going?
School.
Do you love school? No.
No.
This is a day.
No.
Santa loves school.
Alright. Oh, super cold, guys. It's been raining all night. Okay, Lord. Okay, Lord.
Santa
Any dance?
likes some drink too.
Yeah, we're gonna leave some drink for him on Christmas night. And some food for the reindeers.
Yeah, and for Santa. Is it huh?
I said, huh?
Come on.
Have you been a good girl for Santa?
Yeah. Okay. So eating my classmate.
Did Daddy just utot?
Sure did.
Say good morning, Dida.
Good morning, Dida.
Good morning, Dida. Hala, ang aking buhok ba? Wala talagang suklay. Hayaan niyo na, guys. Messy look na lang yan siya. Messy.
Come on.
Come on.
That's the orange boy.
Ready, steady.
Pony.
Ready, steady.
Go. Go.
Bye-bye, Daddy. Yeah. Ate, put that on me. Hold this. Put that on your back. There. Good girl. Wait. Yeah. Say bye-bye na tita and tito. Si tita and tito. I'll see you later.
I'll see you later.
Are you gonna say good luck to mommy? Mommy's gonna have her needle today.
Okay, like mine.
Will I be okay?
Yes,
Yes?
because you're growing up.
Because I'm a grown-up and I'm...
Mom,
I'm strong.
very strong.
Come on, let's go.
Because mommy is stronger.
That's right. Come on, let's go. Teacher is waiting.
Yes, pictures of
A few moments later.
Time check tayo, guys. It's 12:13 ng hapon. We just dropped Ate Paris sa paaralan niya. And nandito kami ngayon sa cafe. Bumibili lang kami ng hot drinks. It is horrible weather outside. It's raining. It's super cold. Mukhang 15 degrees lang yata ngayon. Yan ang spring dito sa Melbourne. So, Daddy just went out, guys. Bumili lang siya ng hot chocolate for me and something for him as well. And then, ang ating baby girl, as you can see, she is sleeping. Idadrop ko sila sa bahay. Dapat sana si Daddy Mike ay maglalakad lang sila. He'll take baby Celine for a walk home. Tapos, umuulan kasi, kaya sabi ko, hindi na lang, idadrop ko na lang kayo. Kasi nga, diba, 1 o'clock yung aking appointment for my second dose ng aking vaccine. And, at 12:30 kasi, may plumber na pupunta sa bahay. Kasi, for the last 2 days, I think, sira yung aming toilet. So, na-blocked ang aming toilet. Hindi kami pag-toilet kasi palagi nagfa-flush siya, pero sobrang tagal niyang mag-down. Kaya tinawagan namin yung real estate agent at yun. Sabi ng may-ari, papuntahin niya yung plumber para i-fix. So ngayon, kailangan may tao sa bahay. And, yeah, na timing kasi na ngayon din yung para vaccine ko. Kaya yun, si Daddy Mike na lang doon, dadalhin niya si Celine kasi at least makakapag-ikot-ikot sila sa bahay kahit sa pram lang. Kasi pagkatapos 'di ba ng injection, kailangan magstay muna ng 15 minutes to make sure na walang allergic reaction ganun. So I don't think baby Celine would like to stay still for 15 minutes. So si Daddy ang magdadala sa kanya. And then after naman ng injection, uwi naman ako kaagad. Wala, nagising na. Nagising, naglanghab-lang. Ay, pumikit ulit. Ang aking buhok ba? Tapos ang aking battery ngayon ay pakiplat-kiplat na Mamamatay na yung ating battery. Kailangan nang i-charge. Mamaya na ako magsuklay, guys. Tingnan nyo. Okay lang naman, no? Hindi naman talaga siya mukhang wakwak tingnan. Kita ko sa labas. So, it's good to see, ayan, yung mga shops. Open na sila, guys. Yung mga $2 shops. Ayan. Before, closed din silang lahat. Daddy Mike is there. Oh, ayan, Ayan.
A few moments later.
How do you feel about that? How do you feel?
Okay.
Mama's, are you convincing yourself that you're sick?
No, I'm saying I'm okay. Okay. She's still sleeping still? Hello, baby. Hello, baby. I just put her back in again. Good girl? Daddy Mike is going Kasi bibili daw siya ng may nakita daw siyang magandang deal doon ng kaniyang shampoo. Who's been a good girl for Mama? Who's been a good girl for Mama? Eee! Am I going home now, okay? We can have Didi? Yes! Are you a good girl? Are you a good girl, sweetheart? Love si Mama eh. Hello everyone! Good afternoon! Time check, it is nearly 6 o'clock ng gabi and we are getting ready to pick up who? Ate? Uy! You okay? Tigap! Gosh, dulay. Oh! Good. Tingnan na ba? Wipe na ba? We'll go pick up Ate Paris! Ayan, so hindi ako nakapag-vlog kanina guys after the vaccine. So, yeah, tapos na ang ating vaccine. Ayan na, it's been, 5 hours? Yeah, it's been 5 hours. Thankfully, wala naman akong nararamdaman talaga na massive na kung anong side effect. Yung sore lang dito sa arm ko. Yun lang yung nararamdaman ko. Hopefully, wala nang iba. No? Yeah. So, finally, natapos din, guys. Kasi, second time ko na yun siyang kinancel. Kasi, ito nga siya, diba? Last week, she was not very well. And ayaw kong kasi nga, alam naman natin na the second dose is stronger. Ika nga. Kaya, I made sure na lang na cancel ko yun habang this one is not very well. Para naman maalagaan ko muna. Kasi, just in case, hindi natin alam, diba? Na I might have headache or whatever. So, at least, she's better now. And then, yeah. Okay si Mami. Okay din si Mami. No? Yeah? Did you say yeah? Did you say yeah? Big girl ni Mama. And I think, you know what guys, I think she is teething. Kasi she likes biting. Na? I like biting. Ang bite-bite ng ating Daddy Mike, guys. Kasi, inaano niya talaga ako kung anong kailangan ko, ganyan. Kasi sinasabihan niya ako na, huwag mong isipin na may mararamdaman ka kasi our mind is very powerful. So, pag sinabi natin na, ay, magkakasakit ako, ganyan. Minsan daw, yun yung nararamdaman mo. So, sabi niya, iwala ko daw sa isip ko yung ganun. So, I'm trying to... Nanonood pala ako ng guys, so, Korea novela. Birth of a Beauty. Sino sa inyo ang nakapanood niyan? Matatapos ko na. Ilang na ba yan? Episode 20. Season 1, episode 20. Matatapos na yata. Kasi nagkakaalaman na ang lahat. No? We're gonna go now na? We're going now? Bim, bim. Say hi, tita. Tita, be. Hi. Hi. Lo. Tihog. Silin quick kay dali, be. Dali. Ako, silin quick. Very sore talaga yung arm, guys, no? Tapos wala pa yung pinaanuhan ko kasi last time wala yung pinaturukan ko and then wala pala yung ginagamit ko para wala. Ano ba yung tawag sa Tagalog? Wala, kaliwa. Kaliwa pala yung pag kinikarry ko si Baby Celine, kaliwa pala. But it's okay. It's okay. Who's smiling? Hello. Hi.
Hello.
Hi, your tummy I can see. Tummy I can see. Very dark. Your tummy I can see. Kaba. Bibi. Bibi. Nag-order kami ng dinner, guys, kasi hindi ko feel na magluto. Oh, yes, sweetheart. Hang on, we'll have to eat dinner first, okay? Don't cry, sweetheart. Okay. Ay, gosh. Mag-change pa mag-nappy. Okay, mama will change yung nappy na. So, ito yung binili. Bumili kami ng soup. Nak, get me nappy for Baby Celine, please, Nak. Daddy, see? The rice are extra lagi, Bob. That's why it's expensive. Because the soup already comes with the rice. And then Daddy ordered extra. Akala niya hindi na, walang rice po. Ate!
Nappy.
Get nappy for Baby Celine, please. Wow, here you go. So, ewan ko kung ano in-order ni Daddy sa kanya, but it's beef, bone soup. And then there's some kimchi. Yan. Oh, yes, sweetie. Ate Paris, why aren't you listening to Mama na? I need nappy for Baby Celine, please. I need nappy for Baby Celine. Come on, big girl. Oh, look. She's enjoying it, look. Show it again. Good girl. Good girl. Mommy, Ate, and Daddy will just have dinner, okay? And we'll have Didi. I thought and then we'll go to bed. Yes. Hi. Yes. I know. I know. Yes. Are you happy? Are you happy? Yes. Are you my happy Baba? Diyan ako sa ngisi. Ako sa ngisi. I know. Oh, yes, my love. Oh, yes. Shush. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Ayun! Ayun siya, ubo. Yes. Hi. Nabihisan ko na ang ating baby girl. Ayan. Nakabihis na siya pang tulog. Ito lang yung ano, kasi parang warm din naman dito sa kwarto, guys. Ito lang. Tingnan nyo, hindi na ma-close. Ha? Yes, anak. Tapos, ilagay ko lang siya sa loob ng sleeping bag niya. Yes, anak. Is the sleeping bag. Alam nyo, ito, ginamit pa to ni Ate Paris pa. When she was a baby. And now, kasi hindi ko na padala sa Pilipinas. Mostly kasi mga gamit ni Ate Paris nandun na sa Pilipinas, guys. Pero ito, naiwan dito. Kaya nagamit pa ni Baby Celine. Yes. Going to sleep now? We're going to sleep now? Do you want to see yourself? Yeah. Hi. Say, I'm going to sleep now, tita and tito. Oh, cuckoo. Yeah. What is it tomorrow now? What is it tomorrow? So, alam nyo ba, guys? I can't believe it. So, today is last day ni mami nyo sa kanyang 20's. So, tomorrow we are turning big 3-0. So, yeah. Birthday ni mami bukas, guys. I'm turning 30 years old. So, very exciting. It's mama's birthday tomorrow. Yeah? Are you excited for mama's birthday? Are you excited? Ate Paris! Andun pa sa labas sa lunchroom mga Ate Paris. Ate Paris! Where's Ate Paris now? Where's Ate Paris? Dito ang ating Ate Paris. What are you having?
Drink. I'm having this drink.
Yeah. It's Mommy's birthday tomorrow.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Oh, goodness. So, it's been, anong oras na ngayon, guys? So, maybe it's been, 7 hours na siguro after ng aking vaccination. At alam nyo, hindi ko pa natanggal. Nak, I haven't practice off yet, anak ko.
Actually, guys.
So,
Today is Mommy's 18th birthday.
huh?
Mommy's 18th birthday.
18th birthday? Sana all 18. Sana all 18. I am 30. Mommy's turning 30 tomorrow. 30.
30.
Yes, that's right.
39.
Ayan. So, thank you, Lord. Wala naman akong ano, guys. Ayan, medyo red lang yung na... Ayan, tinurukan. Yeah, I did show na. I did show. So, yun lang yung store. Medyo kasi,
Show them again.
you know, I carried Celine the whole time, diba? So, maybe that's the reason why medyo mapula-pula yung ano natin. But, other than the soreness sa aking arm, oh, shush. Ay, wala naman akong ibang naramdaman, guys. So, fingers crossed, maging okay tayo. Diba, anak? Anyways, i-end na natin yung vlog dito. Be careful, anak, ha? Ayan na, oh. Yung isa hindi pa bihis. Do you love baby Celine?
Yes. I'm cuddling her.
You are cuddling her.
Ah, she's pushing me. Like, it's my area.
It's my area. Did she say it's her area? She's saying, I'm going to sleep now, dear Paris. So, yeah.
So I'm just playing with Paris now.
Anyways, guys, iyan na natin yung vlog natin. Hindi pa siya tapos.
And today you got Paris regularly stealing toys. Paris and toys are stealing
Celine talking.
Alright, Julie, talk with me.
Oh!
His blessing and you.
We'll just do a quick shout out, guys, ha, before natin i-end ang ating vlog. So, shout out to Lucy Montemayor, Claudine Reid, Claudine's Kitchen, Dora Osing, Net Asuncion, Geraldine Malyo, Vicky Inot, Chinita Bisaya, Marichu Mateo, Yet Balino, Michelle Dalit, Kate Dianga, Maritis Nakor, Maria Sheila Bercasio, Wilma Macroy, and Tis Ray. Ayan. That's about it. Yes, no. That's about it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Bye. If you want Paris and stickers, her stickers are very good. And Mama needs to have them. And I wish I'll give you a sticker too. And you can have Paris Mystery Toy 8.
Celine's talking to Nak. Are you gonna say bye now?
Bye!
Bye! Bye, Nak. Bye!
Bye!